Hey fellas, what is up? It is Ajax here with more Rattlecan Shenanigans, and this video is my entry video for Saltwater Scale Models Muscular Dystrophy build. The goal here was to get everybody involved to build a muscle car, and I'm actually going to try and kill two birds with one stone, and hopefully this entry will get me where I need to be. If not, I have an alternative, but this is what I'm going to start with. And Scott, you let me know if this will fly. If not, then I'll pick up something else. But I was going to double dip here, and this kit, as you may remember if you've kept up with my videos a couple of months back, I said I was going to build this as a tribute build to for Carolina Man, and I still intend on doing that. I've not really had a chance to delve into this kit just due to the fact that my schedule's been kind of hinky, but that's neither here nor there. What I want to do, though, is I still want to build it as a tribute, but also enter the muscular dystrophy build with this car as well. Now, the reason why I say that it's a caveat is not just because I'm double dipping, but because a lot of people would argue that a Mustang isn't a traditional muscle car, despite the Revell muscle there on the box. They would say that this is a pony car. In fact, they would say this is the original pony car because this is what launched the pony car wars. And I get that. I understand that. Nevertheless, I'm going to try and make this one work. So I'm sure all the Ford guys out there will have my back, and maybe I'll pick up a couple of detractors, and if that's the case, hey, hit that dislike button. That's what it's there for. But this is my entry, and I will get started on this thing post haste. As soon as I have some worthwhile progress to show you guys, I will give you an update video. But until then, you guys take care. See ya.